Here we have Santa Monica. Beautiful oceans, lots of squirrels, and then me and my skateboard. Yeah, let's go on a ride. Yeah, that just happened. I think those birds just decided like to split the team because now there's like a set over there and then there's like a huge set down there. And I think I'm in the middle, so I guess I'm the referee, which I'll totally accept. So yeah, let the game begin. You guys are so patient. For real, super patient. You were kind of aggressive a little earlier, but we're gonna keep that out of the video. Right now you look patient. Oh, where y'all going? Oh, I see. Y'all trying to put me in a circle. Oh, word. Wait, where y'all going? Oh, not my coffee. Holy crap. No, not the coffee, guys. Are y'all just out here crossing the street? What did I miss? Nah, bro, that's a feather. Don't eat, that's probably your brother's feather. Bro, you're kind of being a bully, and I don't know if I can stand for it. Hey, chill down there. Hey, Sylvester, chill. Chill down there. Why are you so angry? Sylvester always acting up. I'm really in, like, the center. Like, I'm just thinking about one just literally slapping me in my face. Like, just straight bird slapped. Yeah, they ain't scared. Holy crap. Oh, not Sylvester. Nah, Sylvester, you're good right there. You're good right there. Holy Oh, somebody stinks. Somebody definitely stinks. Who did it? Is it you, Robin? It was Robin. We almost had a fallen skateboarder. Oh shit. It's time to go. Holy crap. Bro, no, it's not the time. It's not the time or the place. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh, bro, you're huge. Is it dog food? Tell me right here. Is that dog food? I gotta reevaluate my entire life right now. I think that's dog food. Oh, what? My guy just threw a f***ing hot dog, and that bird gulped it down and said, "Did you?" Oh, he throwing hot dogs. This just turned this. They're eating dog food and hot dogs. Now I'm concerned. He threw a hot dog that could have fed a whole family. Not that I'm for the hot dogs. Like, everything about this just turned upside down. I thought this was bird food, and it's dog food and hot dogs. Like a Frank's hot dog, guys. I'm gonna have to go home and do research because at this point I'm confused. Do birds eat hot dogs? It's gonna be a negative. It clearly says that hot dogs are not good for birds.